Good morning. Today I am going to learn moral values. Class 6. Moral value. I think that every person's learn moral value and apply uh, in their life. Contents of this book. Lesson first: love and devotions. Love and devotions. Our beautiful world is creations of God. भगवान ने हमारा सुंदर सा दुनिया बनाया है. It is believed that life on earth is an illusion. Therefore, life can also be called as a reality. There are many different religions in this world. All of them have the different philosophy about earth life etc, but they all have one things in common, that is all living things are created and loved by God. हर एक जीवित लोग भगवान से प्यार करते हैं. We should be thankful and grateful of God for everything. People's following any religions believe that doing good deeds on earth will sources a place in between in heavens for them, which is the abode of God. We all must respect and love God's creations. True happiness can only be achieved if we serve everyone with love and devotions. According to the Hindu religions, God exists in all the living, non-living things and cosmic forces. God is omnipresent. Omnipresent हर एक जगह present है. He is in following plants, twinkling stars, planets, satellites, etc. Each and everything reflect God's glory and greatness. God has created man with the extra qualities of wisdom and intelligence, and these qualities help him in the differentiating between the God and good and bad, right and wrong, dharma or adharma. We should be very grateful to God, express our gratitude towards him. We must pray to him daily in our own way, and people go to different places for worshipping God. They call him by different name. The real prayers and worship of God is to serve mankind. Maharshi Ved believed that the best form of the worship is to serve the sick, the poor and the blind. महर्षि मानते थे कि किसको पूजा? जो बीमार है, जो गरीब है, जो अंधे हैं, उन लोगों का सेवा करना. Once on his disciples asked, "Sir, how and where can we see God?" He immediately said, "Dear students, if you want to have a glimpse of God, go to the slum and go to the poor, go to the sick and distressed. You will be able to see God in them." Some other priests heard about him. One day some of them went to him and asked, "We have heard that you have seen God. Is it true?" Mercy Bed smiled and said, "Of course I have. But we do not believe you." One of the priests said, "Unless you show us, we shall not be able to trust you." Trust मतलब विश्वास करना. We shall not be able to trust you. Another priest said. Maharishi Ved asked them to come to him the next day at 5 a.m. Next day all the priests arrived at the 5 a.m. sharp. Maharishi requested them to follow him. After walking 2 to 3 kilometers, they reached a hut. All entered the hut. There was a leper lying on a bed. Maharishi started cleaning his body and applying some ointments to his wounds. He changed his clothes and bathed him with his own hands. The priests were astounded to see this, and they felt guilty. and tears filling their eyes. Maharshi Vedvyas said, "Here is my God. I see him daily. You can have a glimpse of him too." The parents felt ashamed and requested him to pardon them. Maharshi Vedvyas said, "The real worship of God is to serve His creations, and someone who helps them when they are in distress deserve God's love." We all know who was Mother Teresa. She worked selflessly to bring up numerous orphans and disabled children in India. She was an Albanian lady. We should pray to God and ask for strength enough to love all creatures, to help the poor and the needy, to keep off evil and to do what is right. So first of all, I want to say that we have to support every poor persons and helpless peoples who has not eating food, who has not able to see, who has not able to walk. We have to support them. Now let's give a thought. What is a thought? We should pray to God and ask for strength enough to love all creatures, to help the poor and the needy. There are many different religions in the world. All of them have different philosophy. We all must respect and love God's creations. When medicines don't work, the prayer see only just 1 second, only remedy, and it is fountain of life. See these questions and write in your notebook copy. Thank you for watching.